For more than a century, electromagnetic waves have been described as oscillating fields propagating through empty space. But mathematics alone, without a correct foundational geometry, is insufficient to describe how electromagnetic energy truly moves. In this presentation, we reveal the quantum geometry of electromagnetic waves, resolving the historical divide between Tesla's longitudinal energy and Maxwell-Hertz transverse radiation, using the geometric framework of Tetryonics. Electromagnetic waves exist in two fundamentally distinct geometric forms, defined by the alignment of their energy momentum relative to their direction of propagation. Transverse EM waves, produced by accelerating charges, possess energy momentum orthogonal to their propagation direction. These are Hertzian waves, photons, radiation. Longitudinal EM waves, produced by disruptive discharges and spark gaps, possess energy momentum collinear with their direction of propagation, producing instantaneous force transfer, what Newton termed action at a distance. When a charged particle is accelerated, its momentum changes. This requires a compensating emission of quantized electromagnetic mass energy. In Tetrayonic geometry, this emission manifests as planar transverse energy geometries, composed of orthogonal electric and magnetic fields. The electric field oscillates, the magnetic field oscillates, and the energy flows forward as radiation. This is oscillation at a distance, not action. Disruptive electrical discharges do not accelerate charges sideways, they accelerate charges along the direction of the field itself. The result is a longitudinal electromagnetic impulse, where the electric field, energy momentum, and propagation direction are all aligned. These waves do not radiate power outward. They transfer energy directly, mechanically, and with minimal loss. This is why Tesla focused on spark gaps, impulse voltages, and longitudinal propagation. Polarization is not a mathematical artifact, it is a geometric alignment of field orientation. Transverse wave polarization rotates electric field orientation around the propagation axis. Longitudinal wave polarization aligns fields along the propagation axis, producing collinear force vectors. All electromagnetic waves possess wave functions, not as abstract probabilities, but as geometric energy densities. The probability of detecting a photon is the square of its geometric amplitude. As frequency increases, the wavelength decreases, and the photon's geometric density intensifies. Tesla and Maxwell were not in conflict. They were describing different electromagnetic geometries. Hertzian waves radiate energy sideways, Tesla waves deliver energy forward. With a geometric foundation, electromagnetic reality becomes clear, unified, and deterministic. This is the quantum geometrics of electromagnetic waves.